Maybe we'll start with what are the responsibilities of a family guardian if it's different than a corporate guardian, although I would hope and assume that the responsibilities are similar.
I do think so. I
Okay.
think it'd be easy to discuss due to the similarities. Primarily safety, right? A lot of situations that lead somebody to guardianship um, require an adjustment to make sure that that person is safe, not being exploited, not being abused, um, assisting them in any processes needed, whether it be a 50B restraining order or any other court processes. A lot of times we're in criminal court with the people we support and helping them work through those systems. A lot of backup is what the guardian should bring to this person. Making sure that they are housed, that they have their basic needs met, making sure that they have the wraparound services that are needed for them. And that can be a challenge in this environment, as you know. There are a lot of holes in the systems that we work within. So we do our best to navigate those systems, get a great ring of support around that person, and be able to point them in the direction that they want to go, whether that's independence and restoration, whether that is a job, driving, marriage is something that a person can still do even while under guardianship. So, coordinating those services, keeping folks, and then absolutely working to just move towards less and less restrictive circumstances, whether that's in housing and socially, or whether we're talking limited guardianship and restoration, which is the ultimate guardianship move is to usher someone out from under guardianship. And that gets us excited. That's our goal as a team generally is to get there.
Sure. Yeah. Yeah. I heard you mention marriage. What are the rights that a person under guardianship still retains, even if they have a guardian?
They vary from state to state, but in North Carolina, the person retains the right to vote, which is fantastic. That is not true in every state. They retain the right to marry, but since they cannot file a civil petition, they're not able to file for a divorce. So that is an odd one. That's a little sticky. They retain the right to privacy, to, of course, basic human rights. Things that do go away are the ability to have a driver's license unless you specify. I know they go on a registry that's weapon related. I think the NICS registry. So that's another piece to consider when a person is restored. Um, but those are the basic ones that stay.
I
You may
love that
have,
you still have the right to vote. It's
yes,
hard for me to imagine anybody losing the right to vote,
no.
but it's not. You're saying it's not in every state that's a given.
Yeah, that's right. I think Texas is one where that's not something that you can do. I have a great picture in my mind of an assisted living van when I was there visiting someone we support, loading up to go vote. The staff had taken anybody who wanted to go, and the folks who were on their way to vote were just excited to be participating, and it was
Absolutely.
lovely to see.